Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get into this oddball Precor console. You just want to hit pause and quickly hit 6.5, and you can see that, pause 6.5. And in diagnostics you can see there's no arrows. These don't work to scroll up and down. It's actually going to be your 1 and 2 button here to scroll. You can see I'm scrolling. That's how you would get into this one. If you wanted to do reset the maintenance, go here and hit the OK button, and then you would press and hold to reset. Say if you wanted to check the miles, unfortunately I don't have a back button, so you would hit pause, do the 6.5 again. And then you're back in there, and then you scroll over here with the 1 and 2 again. And the odometer is right here. You hit OK, and there's the mileage. And that's it.